Mathematics 4, quarter 3, week 3. Okay. These are the learning competency in our lesson. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to identify, describe triangles according to the sides and angles. Identifies and describes the different kinds of quadrilaterals, the square, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezoid, and rhombus. Okay, let's have a little bit of review. Identify the following. An angle whose measure is 90 degrees. What do you call this one? Angle is what we call right angle. Okay, it's a right angle. Okay, next. An angle whose measure less than 90 degrees. What do we call this one? Okay, we call this one as acute angle. Next, an angle whose measure is more than 90 degrees but less than 180. The angle is what we call obtuse angle. Okay, next. Total interior angle of an triangle. What do you call this one? The total inside the triangle. What is the total angle? Okay. 180 degrees. Okay, next. The kinds of triangles. Triangle is a polygon with 3 sides and 3 angles. Okay, from the name triangle, 3 angle with 3 sides, it's a closed figure which is a polygon. Then it has equal 3 sides and 3 angles. Okay, classifications of triangle according to the angle. Did you see this one? According to the angle inside, the classification of triangle. First one is the acute triangle. Acute triangle. Okay, the first one is acute triangle. It has 3 acute angles. Okay, not more than 90 degrees. Each of its angle does not exceed to 90 degrees. Everyone is always measures below 90 degrees. Okay, just like this one, 40 degrees by 75 and 65 degrees. Okay, that's what we call the acute angle, acute triangle. Next is what we call right triangle. What is a right triangle? It has one right angle and triangle which was one of its angle is right or measures 90 degrees. Okay, just like this one, triangle ABC with one of its angle is measures 90 degrees. Another one also measures lower than 90 degrees. Okay, and the last one is what we call the obtuse triangle. What is an obtuse triangle? It has one obtuse angle. Therefore, one of its angle is measures more than 90 degrees, but not exceed to 180. Just like this one, the triangle RPQ with a measure of 41, 105, and 34 degrees. Okay, equiangular triangle. This one is equiangular. Therefore, when we said equi or equal, maybe or yes, the angle of this triangle is all equal. It has all angles equal. Therefore, this triangle has 3 equal angle. Different. It's like this triangle ABC. Therefore, 60, 60, 60 degrees. Therefore, all of its angle measures 60 degrees. No more than 60, no less than 60. Okay. The classification of triangle according to its size. Earlier, we're talking about the classification of triangle according to the angle. And now we're talking about the classifications of triangle according to its sides. Okay. First is the isosceles triangle. What do you mean when we said isosceles? Okay. It has at least 2 equal sides. This kind of triangle has 2 equal sides. Maybe the 2 legs or the base and the another legs. No, most of the time, the two legs. Okay. Okay, just like this one. The two legs are equal. Yeah, that. Okay, next. Next kind is equilateral. What you said when we said equilateral triangle? Okay, it has three equal sides. Therefore, all sides of this triangle measures same as another. Okay, just like this one. Therefore, the angle, this one, equilateral triangle is also an equiangular triangle because all sides of this triangle is equal. Therefore, the angle inside is also equal. Okay, and next is the scalene triangle. Okay, when we said scalene triangle has no sides equal, no equal sides, no sides equal. Therefore, nothing of its sides equal to each other. Every one of its sides is longer or shorter than each other. Okay, let's have an activity. Identify the following triangles according to the sides or angle. Okay, this number one. What do you call this one? This is what we call equilateral triangle. And this one, we call this scalene triangle because no sides of each triangle is equal. Another one, this one is very popular. Just like an Indian hat. This is an isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal. Okay, kinds of quadrilaterals. Okay, what's a quadrilaterals? When you said quadrilaterals, what is a quadrilateral? An polygon with four sides and four angles. It's classified as a square, rhombus, rectangle, parallelogram, and a trapezoid. Therefore, a quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. This one is a quadrilateral. This one also. This one also, the sides. Okay. This one also. This one. One and that one. Okay. Square, rectangle, trapezoid, rhombus, and parallelogram. Okay. A square. What is a square? Square. Square is a quadrilateral with four equal sides and four right angles. Therefore, all sides of the square are equal. With the one side is measures 4 centimeters. The another side, all sides are measure also of 4 centimeters. Okay, four sides and the angle are right. Rectangle. Okay, this is another type of our polygon, of our quadrilateral. Rectangle. What's a rectangle? Rectangle is a quadrilateral with four right angles. Its opposite sides are equal and parallel. Parallel, therefore equal. Opposite sides equal and parallel. When we have shorter here, the sides, and longer na the top and the bottom, that's a rectangle. Okay. Is a square is a rectangle? Okay. Therefore, rectangle, let's try. Remember, rectangle is a quadrilateral with four right angles. Its opposite sides are equal and parallel. Therefore, square, quadrilateral, four sides, and four right angles. Yes, therefore it's a yes. Okay, square. Remember, rectangle is a quadrilateral with four right angles. Its opposite sides are equal and parallel. Square is a quadrilateral with four equal sides and four right angles. Therefore, the answer is no, because this rectangle didn't have four sides with equal measurement. It has two sides or opposite sides with parallel measurement. Therefore, the rectangle is not a square, but a square is an rectangle. Okay? Square can also be called as rectangle because it's a four right angles and its opposite sides are equal and parallel. Square A rectangle is not a square because it does not equal sides. A trapezoid, okay, this one is very complicated. A trapezoid. Trapezoid is a quadrilateral that has exact one pair of parallel sides. Remember, a parallel lines are lines which never touch. Okay, when we said parallel lines, those are the lines that never touch with each other. For example, the railway. The both sides of the railway, the left and right, never intersect with each other because when it intersects with each other, it made the train crash. Okay? Okay, next. Those are the sides of our trapezoid those are the sides of our trapezoid which were categorized as parallel. Is this a trapezoid? Okay, it's a very simple question. When we see these things, this is trapezoid, yes or no? The answer is yes. It has one set of parallel, the top and the bottom sides. Okay. Rhombus. What is a rhombus? Rhombus, it has a quadrilateral that has 4 equal sides. Its opposite sides are parallel. Okay, opposite sides again, parallel. Okay. Opposite sides, parallel. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral that has opposite sides that are equal and parallel. Which of the quadrilaterals we have seen is a parallelogram? Which one of those? Okay, let's try. Remember, a parallelogram is a quadrilateral that has opposite sides are equal and parallel. It is a parallelogram or not a parallelogram? Okay, this one. The answer is square. This one. Yes or no? This is not or that's a yes. Yes again. Rectangle. Trapezoid. No. This one is parallelogram also. Opposite sides are equal. Okay, these are the classifications of our quadrilaterals. A parallelogram, a trapezoid, a rectangle, a rhombus, and a square. What conclusion can we draw in the graphics? Okay, what conclusions can we do? Choose this graphic. Okay. Parallelogram has opposite sides. A square can also be called a rhombus, a rectangle, a parallelogram, and a quadrilateral. A rectangle can also be called a parallelogram and a quadrilateral. A rhombus can also be called as parallelogram and a quadrilateral. Parallelogram can also be called as quadrilateral. And trapezoid is a quadrilateral. That's a conclusion that we can make throughout those illustrations. It's your turn-cades. Okay. Which figure must contain 4 right angles and 4 right sides with equal length? Okay. What do you call this one? That's letter D. It's a square. A square with a quadrilateral. A square is a quadrilateral. Yes or no, or true or false? That's a true. Yes, it's a kind of quadrilateral. Which is the best name for a quadrilateral shown? Okay, what do you call that name? A square, a kite, a trapezoid. That's what we call this, a square. Okay. This is your home learning. Just keep trying, guys. Discussify the following quadrilaterals in your notebook. Okay, this try at home. And God bless. Happy holiday. Thank you.